I'm Dr. Rudresh Kurtikar, CMO of Medical College. Press brief, media briefing is for the recent incidents which have happened in the casualty, where the Honorable Health Minister simulated me in the casualty on 7th. So our demand is that, because of that incident, is that we require public apology in the casualty itself. The Honorable Minister apology about the casualty. That is our demand.
So any deadline you all have given?
No, we have not given deadline, but it should be immediately.
What if he does not apologize?
So we, because we are supported by the GARD, Agency Association of Resident Doctors, and also supported by the faculty, Doctors Association, as well as the doctors all over the India. So if it is not been accepted, then we may not. Can you narrate
Any discussion with the minister? We are discussing with him.
We have already had a discussion that day. We have given a memorandum in the morning session.
So can you just tell what exactly happened? What happened?
On the 7th, actually, the incident was nothing. Someone relative came asking to give an injection. Just a vitamin B12 injection. Vitamin B12 injection has to be an emergency requirement. Emergency injection.
Dr. Mashullah or
Vitamin B12 injection is not an emergency injection. So we say we have to go to the all nearby PSCs because it is not an emergency injection.
So this is the first incident happened in GMC, or earlier also something like that thing.
This was the first incident which I had.
But Dr. तुम casualty allowed आहात
No, casualty avoid emergency department of tertiary care hospital. Tertiary care hospital is the highest level of the healthcare system of Goa, where only serious critical patient has to be handled. Nowadays, anything, even minor cases are coming to the GMC emergency department. So, it is a protocol that only the serious cases has to be seen. Giving injection is never, that is also vitamin B12 injection is never an emergency.
मिनिस्टरान काल इथून
एका चॅनलाचे अपॉलॉजी मागले तुम्ही एक्सेप्ट करता तर
I have seen the video, but it is studio apology. So we demand all the doctors that the apology should be where the incidents happen. It is in front of the people.
Yeah. It should be recorded.
It could be recorded, and as the it went viral, my invitation went viral. The same thing also should be viral. Because now I was motivated completely. Okay, so I want every people to know this apology.
So
form stand out then.
By when Misha should apologize?
No, within 24 hours he has to apologize.
Okay. Really, which you will be going to the
Thank you. Strike will be continued.
Continue.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Give a complete shutdown of the services of the hospital.
shutdown of services of the hospital? The service will be cut down. With treatment and all.
From when?
24 hours.
24 hours. So videography केला त्याची तुमका आपशी कहा कारण allowed ना म्हणून.
I think it's a morning, it's a day is already informed about this.
शटडाऊन लिगली पॉसिबल असा
तर त्यांना तुम्ही शटडाऊन करतले खूपशे पेशंट असतले त्यांचा ट्रीटमेंट पण ट्रीटमेंट जे पेशंट असतात ते खूपशे क्रिटिकल कंडिशनांनी असतात पेशंट.
Emergency initially will see, but even if the emergency may, we are given a letter to do, the emergency may also settle.
So no doctors will be working.
We are thinking also. We are not decided, we are thinking.
But
We are here for the patients. We are here for the patients. That day also, the incident happened. The Honorable Chairman had told me to go from the casualty at 12 o'clock, but I stayed there till 2:30, till the next doctor come. We are here for the patients. We are not against the patients. We want that proper treatment is to be given to the patients.
ते एप्रिशिएट करता पूण आतां तुमी म्हटलें की जर अकोल्याची गांवांना 24 वरां दितात जाल्यार तुमी सर्विसीस बरो दितले पण त्या टायमार तुमकां दिसना खुबशे पेशंट आसा ते खंय तरी सफर जावं शकता
We'll see the services, we'll discuss about that and we'll see that the services doesn't affect the emergency cases.
You have a support from All India Association.
All India Doctors Association have also supported us.
They spoke to you.
The IM has informed us.
And I said also human rights that you have been going.
We might go to human rights.
And
Whether we will be continue protest here now or we will be continue protest.
About the stop, about what action we will be taking, about what escalation will be taken, and about the people. Each Goan knows that how doctors have toiled right from the time of COVID till the last Shirgaon Jatra, where everyone has survived. These are the same doctors who were there and were called at 4 a.m. and saved each one of you. About services being halted, you are just like us, the Goans. Just look in the eyes of your family and ask and tell us, affirm us that justice was given to us. And the questions that have been asked, की तुम्ही वतले जाल्यार services halt जातली, is probably not. Never services have been stopped in the past. Emergencies do go on, but there is a tipping limit. I suppose हे करू ना जाल्यार फाल्यां दोतोरांचेर वायलन्स जावन जेन्ना दोतोर कोण मरतलो किंवा आमचे फॅमिलीन कोणाक कितें जातलें तेन्ना तुमकां ट्रीट करपाक कोण उरपाना. It is as simple as that. Every morning when you go and you face the mirror, you should be able to have a self-respect and dignity. This is not about one doctor. It is about a whole medical fraternity where everyone has been brought up by their teachers to stand up for self-respect and dignity. And आमी कितें व्हडलें अशें कांय मागुना. It is very simple. It is a very simple 5-point or a 4-point demand, which is not something that requires an external force to be fulfilled. It is as simple कि एक formal unconditional apology सराक to the whole medical fraternity, and the other points about a zero tolerance to VIP culture. A zero tolerance to VIP culture. परत VIP culture. There is a whole system of triaging. आमी तुमकां मागता सगळे media to really make the public aware of what is a triage. A simple external injury of a abrasion might not be a code red in casualty. Many a times a person who looks fine from outside bleeds, and the best person to take a call on who needs to be treated is a doctor, the casualty medical officer, and the surgeon and the trauma surgeon who is there. It can never be a third person. That is why the whole concept of triage is there. We study it for 5.5 years. We study it for more. आज 10 वर्सां जाली हांव ही गोष्ट शिकता. So it shouldn't be something that is commented upon by a person who is watching it from outside. शिरगांव जेन्ना स्टॅम्पीड जाल्लो ते तुमचे फाटल्यान जे सगळे दोतोर आसात ते 4:15 नॉट ऑन ड्युटी सगळ्यांक काम केलें. सगळे जाण वाचले. सगळ्यांनी येवन सगळ्यांची त्या टायमाचेर सगळ्यांचो सपोर्ट आशिल्लो म्हणून हे जालें. इट इज नॉट अबाउट मेडिकल फ्रॉटर्निटी. इट इज अबाउट अ गोवन who needs to stand in front of the mirror and look into his eyes. It is about a Goan who can look into the eyes of his family and say that I have stood up for my fraternity and I have stood up for the rest of Goa. Eyes आमचे कडेन जातले, फाल्यां आनी कोणा कडेन जातले. We have seen already violence happening because of the same demeanor. फाल्यां खंय it might be fatal to one of us. मागीर सर्विसीस बंद पडटलीच न्ही. मागीर कशी ओपन कशी आसतली सर्विसीस. एंड नो वन इज स्टॉपिंग. तुमकां खबर आसतलें रायट फ्रॉम लॉंग बॅक GMC डॉक्टर्स हॅव नेवर स्टॉप एमर्जन्सी सर्विसीस. I humbly request the media to please block all false narratives. The only reason we are standing behind Dr. Rudresh is to stop and to block a false narrative of political divisiveness, of other things, of people from outside supporting. All of you have seen since morning that all the people who were standing here were Goans. The people of Goa were standing here. It was not a doctor. When I wear this apron, yes, I am a doctor. But underneath who is standing is still a citizen of Goa who has the right to fight for his respect. And Dr. Rudresh Kutikar he has been my teacher right since I was a MBBS student. And ताणी जितले आमकां शिकयला, it would be a shame on me. It would be a shame on all of us if we let this go. It is very simple. The demands are not something that require any external interference. It is just a 3-point thing which is the basic need of every citizen in Goa. Please block false narratives, stand for Goan identity, and that is all I need to say. Thank you so much. The services have been going on since morning. We have listened to a lot of things that services have been disrupted since morning. We cannot show you any videos or photographs because that is not allowed in the campus. But you were here with us and you know that the services were going around. So please put it through across to the media. Okay, we will be giving you regular updates through the Guard Association and also the members of our faculty. It feels really privileged that my teachers are standing behind me and my students are standing besides me. Okay, so this is not something that is limited to one doctor or to fear anyone. All of us have families, and when you go back home today, look in their eyes and ask them, if you were in my place, would you have got justice with the video or the media that has been publicized, or would you have asked for more? Thank you.
Total किती दोतोर आसा तुमचे?
Yes. Total आमचे
Look this side.
Center. Goa Association of Resident Doctors around आमचे 250 ते 300 doctor plus faculty doctors around 200 more. We have a student strength of 180 per batch.
How many batches?
609. We have 609 plus 180 per batch students, a batch of 150 interns. But हो जो प्रश्न तुम्ही सामको बरो विचारलो की कितले दोतोर आसात. सपोज एक दोतोर सुद्धा आशिल्लो न्ही, हांव राविल्लो. आयज प्रत्येक दोतोर आसा, सपोज एकटो सुद्धा आशिल्लो न्ही ह्या सिच्युएशनान, तो रावता आशिल्लो. तुम्ही म्हज्या जाग्यार आशिल्ले, तुम्ही रावता आशिल्ले. It is not, this is definitely not political, this is definitely not personal. फक्त एकूच प्रश्न की एक बेसिक डिग्निटी मेळूंक जाय प्रत्येक मनशाक, नॉट डॉक्टर. आय एम नॉट इवन सेइंग द वर्ड डॉक्टर इन दिस वे. प्रत्येक मनीस जो येता, जेचे कडेन कन्वर्सेशन जाता, एक बेसिक डिग्निटी मेळूंक जाय. आयज तुमी रावले सकाळच्यान, तुमकां खबर आसा प्रत्येक जे हो एजेंडा आसा वॉज अबाउट ब्लॉकिंग अ फॉल्स नेरेटिव्ह एंड टू ब्रिंग द रियल स्टोरी टू द मिडिया. हे सगळे जाणून फक्त तुमकां एकूच रिक्वेस्ट आसा की तुमी मिडियान आसूं किंवा न आसूं, पूण घरान वचून आपल्या पेरेंट्साक, आपल्या बायल्या भुरग्यांक आनी आपल्या फॅमिलीक सांगात की कितें जालें, आनी आमच्या स्टेप्सांनी रावन एकूच विचारात स्वताक आरशा समोर रावन की जालें तें सारकें जालें. वॉज द एपोलॉजी द सेम एज द डिस्ग्रेस और वॉज इट नॉट? आनी सपोज ही आयज जावं ना जाल्यार फाल्यां तुमी सकाळीं जेन्ना उठतले आनी आरशान पळयतले तेन्ना वेदर यू वील बी एबल टू फेस युअर सेल्फ और नॉट. दॅट इज ऑल अबाउट. सद्या कशें आसा, एपोलॉजीचो जो अल्टिमेटम जो आसा आमचो तो Goa Association of Resident Doctors, with faculty, with consultants, with students, ही entire body जी जमला as GMC doctors will take a call on the ultimatum. पूण जी सोपी गोष्ट, जी एक सिंपल गोष्ट आसा, सपोज म्हजे कडेन सपोज कितें चूक घडली जी हांवें येवन त्या मनशाक वचून एपोलोजायज करचें, दिस इज द ओनली सिंपल डिमांड. इट इज नथींग टू पॉलिटिसायज. अशें कांय न्ही की कोणाचो म्हजो सपोज रिस्पेक्ट कितें कमी जाता किंवा आनी कोणाचो रिस्पेक्ट वाडटा. इट इज जस्ट सो दॅट वी कॅन गो बॅक होम एंड वी कॅन फेस आवर फॅमिलीज and we can continue to do the same work with our fellow Goans and the rest of India. Thank you so much.
तुम्ही 24 वरांचा टाइम दिला न्ही, सो ऑलरेडी इन्सिडेंट 48 आवर्स जाल्ला नाल्यार 24 वरांची सो 24 केन्ना जातले ते तुम्ही फ्रॉम टुडे
आम्ही 24 hours भितर दिवंक जाय.
डॉक्टरान दिला म्हणटा, तुम्ही ना म्हणटा.
Ultimatum is in the demand. The final call asa on what we will be taking, the escalatory step we will be deciding. That time we are first giving 24 hours. कित्याक आमकांय खबर आसा की the patients of Goa will be suffering and we do not want that to happen. We are trying to extend the ultimatum so that the people of Goa don't suffer. पूण एक जो टिपिंग लिमिट आसता तितलो आमी आमकांय पावपाचें ना थंय. आमकांय जाय की एक दोतोराची जी डिग्निटी अपहोल्ड जावची, एक गोंयकाराची डिग्निटी आसा ती अपहोल्ड जावची. प्रत्येक गोंयकार एक बरे भशेन विदाउट एनी डिवायजींग, विदाउट एनी पॉलिटिकल इमेज, एक जो दोतोर आसा जो फक्त आपल्या हार्डवर्क आनी शिकून जो इतले पावला वयर, तांणी एक दोळे आपले तकली उबारून आपल्या भुरग्यांक, आपल्या फॅमिलीक दोळ्यान दोळे पळोवन सांगून यो की म्हज्या लोकांनी म्हाका सपोर्ट केलो. फक्त इतकेंच आसा. द अल्टिमेटम टायमलायन, वेदर इट इज 24 hours or whether it is 12 hours, wouldn't matter much. We will decide on the escalatory step. Students, the interns, the residents, the consultants, the faculty, the IMA Medical Students Network Group, हे सगळे बसून आमी डिसाइड करतले. बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग दॅट कॅनॉट बी डिसायडेड ऑन हांव स्वता किंवा दोतोर स्वता वन ऑन डिसाइड करूंक शकना. दिस इज समथिंग दॅट नीड्स अ पब्लीक ओपिनियन. आनी आमी कशे फुडें सरचे, वॉट वील बी द एस्कलेटरी स्टेप, what will be the amount of services that will be halted, whether we will go for a shutdown immediately kaina. All this will be first taking into account only one person, and that is you, the Goan who needs our medical services, and us who need your support. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.